Alright guys, so this is footage from the day before we left for Jamaica. I went to get my eyelash extensions. It's my very first time, so I was super excited. My mother went with me. She got hers done too. Here's the inside. It looks super classy, super elegant. It gives me like a vintage style. I thought it was super dope, and I just loved it. Now, the only thing is she didn't want me to record the whole process, so I didn't do that at all. So the video didn't go as planned. But here's the setup and everything at the little eyelash station. It's super cute, super nice. Couldn't wait. Here's my eyelashes beforehand, so you guys can see like the dramatic difference or whatever. I asked her for dramatic eyelashes, and this is what I got because she said she doesn't do dramatic, and the minks that she have don't do that. So I was like kind of bummed, but I really didn't care because it still came out pretty good, and I was happy. Why do I look so light skin? Like so white. Am I getting pale? Well, it's winter time. Thanks. Hello. Okay. I come. I thinks. Thanks.
Hey.
Thanks. Stop doing that, you messing it up. Say hi. This is the real Kevin. Me. What's wrong with you? Hey pretties! Hey guys! Going to Jamaica, taking my little one, my pretty Icylinn, my baby girl. Jamaica! Jamaica! Time in Jamaica. Why I look like I'm looking that way? I don't know. I'm supposed to be looking. Oh, look at, yeah, we got the camera, not the viewfinder. I know. Okay. See you guys when you're bored. Look at my mom. Look how short she is. Where you even going? Thank you. 1, 2, 3. It's so hot. So guys, we're in Jamaica. Guys, we're at the hotel we're checking, and oh my god, my wig looks so crazy. I promise you I can do so much with Lana. They gave me pineapple and ginger. It don't taste that good because I'm not used to that. They give me a flower. Go on my wig, we gotta fix that. I'm gonna look cute. it's like 12 o'clock and our room will be ready at 3, so that's 3 hours. Like, why do you look up? I'm trying to look cute. My eyelashes are good though. Yeah, I already know I'm ready for the heat. I put my room number, it's 778.
It's a temporary. It's 778. It's a temp. That's not actually
Alright guys, so this portion of the video, I was trying to show you guys where my outfit was from and all that, but the audio was trash and it was super loud in the hotel, so you couldn't really hear me. And this whole time, this lady was trying to take a picture of me. She was getting a camera ready. It was so funny. Oh, okay. You're welcome. Guys, I already got there. She wanted to take a picture of me. I don't know if you guys remember that, but that was so cute. Alright guys, so I'm about to post my picture. Wait, hold up. I can't see me. I'm about to post my picture on Instagram, so y'all better go like it, alright? Okay? Alright.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so the chef will come back. I'm ready.
Alright.
Alright guys, let's go to the beach. I'm mad excited. My camera is messing up and I'm getting so annoyed. Hope y'all can see me, but I was going to shop with these glasses because I get it like be extra or be bougie. They're gonna make a bag, guys. I'm ready for 6 days. My bathing suit is from Dolls Kills. They shipped it to me a while back. It's 2-piece set, and then this waistband I got like when I was volunteering in Harlem. And I think it was like $10 and I bought it for me. Then this is from Pretty Little Thing. I think it was $10. Alright guys, we're about to leave right now. And I'm so excited because your girl need vacation, you feel me? Like, school is just too much. Too much. Alright guys, so I'm back at like where I was at before when I was waiting for my room. And there's so many bees over here, bro. I want to cry. But so your girl will remain right here with no sun because I'm already dark enough. Alright guys, so I'm about to go change because I'm tired of wearing this. Like, there's too much sand in me. Oh my god, it's gonna focus. Focus. Alright, like I was saying, there's too much sand on me, so I'm gonna go change so I can go to dinner because dinner is starting at 6 o'clock. I don't want to be late. Look how pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna take a quick shower and change. That bridge is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a picture on that. Watch. I don't know what to put on. I feel like I have an idea what I want to wear, but I don't know yet. I got water. They call it water. Look at it. I was over here saying water for mad long. I already have a teen club, whoever my mom said, so you already know. Your girl be in there like swimming, that's on period. Like, but not today though. I want to eat. Guys, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Because we're going out and I want to just look cute. Take pictures on the bridge or whatever. So I'm going to do my eyebrows okay because it's going to take like 5 minutes and my eyebrows are already done. Like you know, wax and stuff. I just like filled them in real quick with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. I'm going to take my concealer. Both my eyebrows. Who telling me what? Who telling me what? Who telling me what? Alright guys, we back. By the time I'm done, maybe I'm ready, I don't know. My Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna just take some burnt orange colors because, you know, we want a little, maybe some shimmer. Some burnt orange. No, it's not really burnt. It's like a pale orange. I don't know how to describe it. Put in my creams. Matter of fact, the whole lid. Who is calling me? Hello?
How's your makeup, bitch?
You loud as hell.
Isaac, that's what's that?
No.
What's that, baby? Hi, Mom.
Anna said hi. My mom said to call me on WhatsApp.
How's your makeup?
That's good. This is just a simple outfit though. My dress is from Pretty Little Thing. I forgot how much it cost. Probably like $8. It's a halter neck and in the back. It's out. And I have my shoes. We just want to whisper because my mom is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up. But yeah, we're supposed to be going out to dinner. I'm just waiting for her to wake up. We're cruising in Jamaica. Get into the fashion. This is my outfit. Oh, this is outfit number 3. I changed 3 times, so 2 times. Hey guys, so where are we at? We're at Pier 8 Seafood. Me and my mom about to get some seafood. Crab mac and cheese at the bottom. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get that. Artist now. I know. I do YouTube. Gotta keep the clear skin going. My ears still hurt, but I don't care. That was crazy, mommy. Like, I did not know. I gotta fly more often. Ooh, God bless. Wait. Oh snap. Me and my daughter just having a date night. Yes. Me and my princess. Yes, we are guys. Very elegant. Hey pretties. Let's switch. This is seafood fondue, I think. And this is stuffing. I'm just kidding. This is macaroni and cheese, crab macaroni and cheese.
Need something to drink. Paper napkin. Paper napkin would be like a coffee.
Okay guys, I got like 3 different things. So yeah. I also got me some jerk pork chop, corn, coleslaw, and chips. Alright guys, day 1 of Jamaica is over. I'm sorry if like throughout this whole vlog I've been whispering because every time I talk, they're sleeping. So, yeah, I'm tired, but like I'm not like, oh my gosh, tired. You know, my ears are still popping and it's so annoying, but what I'm about to do is just wrap my hair up. This is gonna be my home for the next 5 more days because day 1 is over. Let me just give you a rundown of what happened today. I'm probably gonna do that like every single day, so you guys get like the little gist. Even though you guys want to see like basically everything, I'm gonna still talk to about it. So basically, we did, you know, we left. I can't even tell. We left around 2:45, and what else did we do? Oh, we got on the plane. The ride is only 3 hours, and the guy, the pilot, was so like, he's like one of like, that's like the best plane ride I've ever been on, and only been on the plane like 3 times. Only problem was my ears was like going crazy, like it was hurting so bad. Like I had a migraine, then I had an earache. I don't know what it was. It was something about the elevation. When I tell you, I was sleeping so good, so wonderful. Well, not the best, because you know I was uncomfortable, but because I was on the jet, I took JetBlue, by the way, if you guys asked. I think I'm taking JetBlue back. Excuse me. But I was like this, like I was really crying. That's how bad my ears was hurting. After we landed, it was still hurting. My ears still hurt, but it's not as bad as it was obviously before. We did, what did we do? We went to the beach. After that, we went to the actual town. You guys gonna see. It was like crazy. I would never want to go there at night. I'm just saying. When you go there at night, if you're a tourist, because baby, you'll probably get taken. I'm just saying. Just now, I just came back from going out. You guys saw me leave. I just came back. Y'all already saw like when I had like 3 different dishes, but then I went to a different restaurant because I really didn't like what they gave me. So yeah, it's mad long and it wasn't really that good. But you guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Good night.